Thanks for joining us at EMI.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, July 15th, 2009. Fortress Investment Group is in talks with lenders to refinance a $1.6 billion loan for Florida East Coast Industries. According to the Wall Street Journal, negotiations on the property and railroad company's loan are being led by Apollo Management, along with GSO Capital Partners and TPG. Private equity and hedge fund firm Fortress already has a $2 billion equity investment, but separate investment funds managed by the firm have been buying up large amounts of Florida East Coast debt and are now the company's largest lender. Staying with hedge fund news, Apollo Global Management is planning to raise $600 million in a public offering of shares in its commercial property investment fund. According to Bloomberg, Apollo Commercial Real Estate Finance, organized as a real estate investment trust, will focus on properties in major cities and will also purchase commercial mortgage-backed securities. Apollo plans to buy real estate from commercial property owners that are unable to pay the $1.2 trillion of loans maturing in the next 3 years. Joseph Azraq has been appointed as the CEO of the REIT, and JP Morgan Chase will underwrite the stock. And in more news, Michael Huffington, a former Republican congressman from California, has sued Carlyle Group. According to the Wall Street Journal, Huffington alleged the private equity firm misrepresented the safety of Carlyle Capital, the publicly traded mortgage securities fund that collapsed in 2008. Huffington, who lost his entire $20 million investment in the fund, has also accused David Rubenstein, Carlyle's co-founder responsible for fundraising at the firm. The lawsuit claimed Carlyle misled Huffington by representing the fund as conservative and low risk. And in other hedge fund news, Barclays is planning to sell its private equity business to boost capital levels. According to CityWire, the UK bank is seeking discussions with Barclays' private equities investors over a possible sale. Barclays may retain parts of its stake in the firm. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMI.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.